Is small space gardening even worth it? Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm the OCDish chick. It's harvest day! Today I'm harvesting my urban small space vegetable garden. It's been raining here for days. Curious what a small space vegetable garden even looks like? I grow in ground, in grow bags, raised beds, pots and containers. I'm in Maryland, the DMV area, Zone 7B. The Swiss chard is looking lovely this fall. I am definitely looking forward to cooler weather and less pests. This is the purple lady bok choy. Beautiful color. She's an heirloom Chinese vegetable. Perfect for growing in the fall garden. Deep purple leaves, crisp green stems. Don't let a small garden limit your harvest dreams. Go, Sally, go. Sally said, don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. You too can grow some Swiss chard. Yes, you can. I'm here to tell you. Gorgeous, gorgeous girl. You get on in there. Come on in the house. You a big girl, not so young and tender. You got to back it up. Some young and tenders tendering. Beautiful in every way. Spicy. Cha cha cha. I still have peppers and tomatoes growing in my fall garden. They're doing well, enjoying this cooler weather. The bees are buzzing. Isn't that gorgeous? Uh-oh. Something's crawling. Yeah, so let's go ahead and harvest. Let's do some harvesting. I'm excited. Let's go. I'm going to grab this amazing, amazing powerhouse called Moringa, rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It's also called the miracle tree.
Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails, from seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild, she the garden queen. Hood raised earth child, fresh greens popping, and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick, better state that. E-lock rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame. From the dirt to the dish, she changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. E-lock nation, remember the name. Yo, yeah, tech, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
What if your small garden could produce more than you ever imagined this fall?
OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
If you have a small garden space, make the most of it. Start by making a garden of your own. Still think you need a big yard to grow food? Think again.
We harvested some giant red mustards, some Swiss chard, moringa, eggplant, more eggplant, cayenne peppers, green peppers, red Lesya pepper. I'm going to collect the seeds from the okra, spring onions. Here's more moringa, and sweet 100 tomatoes. Also some garden sage.
If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe and hit the bell for more gardening inspiration and practical tips on growing in a small space right in your backyard.
Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time.
If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.